Hi, I'm Natalie Kuldell, the Executive Director of BioBuilder. It's a nonprofit I started in 2011 while I was teaching at MIT, and I saw how excited my students were to be using life science to solve real-world problems. Really, I just wanted more students and teachers to experience that. But this year, we're taking that idea one step further and bringing engagement with science from the classroom into the workplace. We are really thrilled to introduce our new curriculum, Biotech Builder, that teaches essential lab skills for entry-level jobs in life science. It's designed to be easy for schools to adopt, even if they haven't taught biotechnology before. It has 3 flexible modules that can be turned into a full-year course or taught in parts through individual modules called Foundations, Lab Skills, and Applications. One of my favorite labs from the Lab Skills module helps students master stock solution preparation, and it comes with everything that teachers need so students can earn industry-recognized microcredentials, and that makes them even more competitive for biotech jobs. Our Applications module focuses on careers in biomanufacturing and synthetic biology. These are fields that are poised for rapid growth. And thanks to our partnership with Carolina Biological Supply Company, schools across the country can easily access these lessons and prepare their students to test for microcredentials. I know that I became a scientist thanks to hands-on experiences that I had in high school labs, and so with Biotech Builder, we are trying to bring that same excitement and purpose to today's students. We really hope you will join us in transforming science education.